He says they're bored of their act.
So, if you had a new exciting act you'd want to perform again?
Well, that's exactly what they want, but they don't have any ideas.
Maybe we can build something the monkeys can use to make their act more exciting. It could be one of our best inventions.
We've invented a lot of machines. We've never invented a monkey act before. But how hard could it be?
Great! Sounds like the seals are getting hungry. I've got to go and feed my flippered friends.
OK, Rusty and I will stay here with the monkeys. We'll come up with a fun new act and the monkeys will be back on stage before the park opens.
Here are the keys. Lock the door when you leave. Good luck. The show will go on.
Door. You're gonna say door, right?
Oh, no! They went for a walk. We've got to get those monkeys or there'll be no show.
And who knows what kind of trouble they'll get themselves into.
We've got to help. Wait, come back!
Find them all!
Apples? Since when do monkeys like apples?
Monkeys, what are you doing? We've got to get back to the park and figure out your new act.
Ooh!
Come on! Stop monkeying around!
Here, monkey.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.